everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's a normal environment here, but today at 6 p.m. I've come to visit Ikea Bangalore. So I'll tell you what is the best way to reach Ikea by avoiding the typical Bangalore traffic. So what we have done is, we have taken the metro, the Green Line metro, and the last stop of Green Line metro is at Nagasandra metro station. And that's the metro station, and that's IKEA. So it's right next to each other. Hello, let's explore. So I'll just show you what all we have got. So this is basically the all-time favorite, meatballs, and I have my cheesecake here. So Komlam has bought what is this? Chicken tikka masala, rice. This is soup. This is veg roll, gulab jamun, and chocolate cheesecake. I think it's a bit overhyped, average I would say. Has some flavor to it, soft. But these buns are pretty tasty. So coming to the chicken tikka masala and rice, let me give it a try. This is nice. Really like this one. Took a lot of time to get the coffee.
It's a queue. People are standing in queue for coffee.
You know what? The best thing I've had till now is this cheesecake. I totally love this cheesecake. Komlam, how is the coffee?
Nice.
Nice.
Nice coffee is this. And the best part of this coffee is it's unlimited.
Wow. So guys, I was just going to grab my coffee and I just saw this. These are the empty plates, where the used plates, and it goes inside for washing in this, automated terminal. Pretty cool, right? Okay guys, I'll tell you a hack. Let's say you come to IKEA, order too many food, and you have a lot left. That is something very, tempting as this. You know what's the best thing to do? Go ask the counter where coffee is served for a paper bag. Like how I got it here. Okay? After that, get enough tissues. Pack whatever you want to take it back home. Like this. Use 2 tissues to be on the safer hand. And then the bag which I have here, keep it safe indoors. It's actually good to go. And I'll do the same thing for this. I have this tray already. I can use this tray as well once I finish this. And pack it up.
Keep that cheesecake cake also. Everything.
This one, I think I'll finish it.
We'll eat at home.
I don't want to carry it. There won't be space.
I'll carry.
Okay. So you guys can also try this hack if you have ordered a lot of food which you can't finish it. But one thing, you can't take stuff like these, curry and all, obviously, for obvious reasons. because all they have is this sustainable paper. That sustainable factor is there in museum business. But this seems nice. Today, I'm not sure whether we'll be able to see the whole of IKEA, but let's go ahead. Hey folks, come here. Uh, Frankly speaking, it's pretty late. I don't think I'll be able to cover IKEA properly. Let's wrap up this video here and see you soon in the next one. Chalo.